Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video I'm going to do my unboxing of my very first Sophisticrate subscription box. Now last month I was so excited to be one of the newest PR team members for Sophisticrate, and this month is my very first box and I'm so excited to see what's inside and to share it with all of you. If you have not heard of Sophisticrate, it is a monthly subscription box service, but you don't have to subscribe. You can also just buy one box if you're not interested in a monthly subscription. At least I'm pretty sure that's how it works. If it doesn't, I will clarify everything down below. If you are interested, I will also have a discount code for you down below. So let's go ahead and dive into my very first Sophisticrate planner box. So on the box you can see she's got a really cute little sticker here. It says Sophisticrate for the sophisticated planner girl, which I think is really, really cute. And this box is quite heavy, so I am assuming there's lots of goodies in here. Oh, look how cute. Okay, so again, she's got a little postcard here, and she's got information about her website. So if you are looking to find out more about this, I think it would make a great gift, especially for the holidays coming up. Make sure you check her out. Now, I love how everything is packaged in here. This is a lot of fun. It's very colorful, and it looks like a lot of, care and consideration was put into packaging the box, which I know we all can appreciate. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. Oh, wow. Now, every box has a different theme. So depending on what the theme is, that will determine exactly what products you get. So starting off, I see I have a dialogue cover. And I was actually doing a little bit of research into this brand. I had never heard of the Dylusions brand, but that's obviously the theme of this box. So from what I understand, it is a traveler's notebook, I guess, product or collection. And so this is the cover, and then you can get all of the little accessories that will go in to the traveler's notebook cover. And I think these are like canvas or cotton covers. I'm not sure, but obviously once I open this and get it set up, I will show you guys more details. So that's the first thing we see. Next, I see quite a bit of my favorite washi tape. You guys know I love washi tape. So this is really cute. It's got different types of designs and colors. That'll be fun to play with. We've also got some clips here. These are really pretty. I'll definitely be using those. Oh, now I remember seeing these when I was looking up some YouTube videos on this brand. These are like jump bands, or kind of like those connector bands if you want to have more than one traveler's notebook in your notebook cover. And I love the colors, especially that hot pink one. Alright, next we have pocket inserts, and these, from what I can tell, look like little folders. Oh, these are really cute. This will be fun to play with. I love the artsy, whimsical design of this and how colorful it is. I love that. Oh, and then we have a sticker book. I am really excited to use these. Wow, look how cute. Okay, this is going to be a lot of fun to play with. So these are very similar, obviously, to the Happy Planner sticker books, but oh look, and you even get numbers. Wow, how fun. Okay, Creative Diary Stickers, Collection 2, 24 pages of Dylusion stickers to add to your creative diary. Nice. And then this is obviously the inserts. So you get a dot grid insert. This will be cool. Can't wait to open that up. And then, oh, okay, so this is one of those strap-on either pen pouch or accessory pouch. That's really cute. Let's open this and see how this looks. Okay, cute. It's a cute little like cotton canvas bag. It's got the elastic on the back, so you can obviously strap this onto a book or a planner or something. And then you can put all your goodies in there. Pens, stickers, whatevs. Oh, how cute. Okay, everyone. So that is my Dylusions Sophisticrate box. Now, once I get this all set up and I start playing around with it, of course, I'm going to show you guys how I'm using it and what my thoughts are, but I can already tell I'm going to love it, especially the stickers. I think so far the stickers and the washi tape are my favorite. But then again, I really love the cover too. So anyways, let me guys know your thoughts. If you've heard of Sophisticrate or if you've heard of Dylusions, you know, what do you think? And again, if you want any more information about Sophisticrate or the Dylusions products, I will have links for you down below. And don't forget, I'll also have a discount code down for you below. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.